Welcome to Quick Finance, Jacob. Today we have a quick live stream covering crypto and a few stock picks as well. But first, buckle your seatbelts. The New York Attorney General to decide on Tether in 30 days. This is what we're waiting on for Bitcoin. As remember, about a week or so ago, I sold half my Bitcoin because of these Tether issues. Now, I don't know what the Attorney General will do, but we know this is a very potentially significant issue that could affect the price of Bitcoin in a negative way. As we can see from this article, the Tether to Bitcoin volumes are greater than Bitcoin dollar volumes. What if too big to fail ends up an actual failure? We may or may not find out. And if Tether goes away, I don't see it affecting Bitcoin in the long run, but definitely short term, there's going to be some major issues or problems facing Bitcoin's bullish behavior the past few months. Over the past week, Bitcoin has consolidated, going down. As I predicted in one of the past videos just less than a week ago, Bitcoin broke through that triangle that was forming. It dipped to the 29,000 level, and now it's consolidating around 32,000. But I can definitely see Bitcoin still going down to the 20 or 30 range again, sometime between now and maybe a few days after these lawsuits and legal issues get through. So definitely at some point in the next 45 days, I'm pretty sure, I'm not a financial advisor, but what I'm watching for is Bitcoin possibly heading down to the 25K level for price. XRP has been pretty quiet the past month or so, but if their legal issues are going to come up pretty soon, I'm pretty positive that they're going to bounce back from this. What will they hit? Will they go back up slowly? Will it be a fast up? Nobody knows quite yet. So people are saying XRP will hit $2, $3 by the end of the year. I definitely could see it hitting $1 or $2 by the end of the year. But XRP is a more long-term investment for me. Talking 5 years, 10 years. I plan to hold my XRP for a very, very long time. NNDM has done very well this week, shooting up 20-30%. Palantir, and a lot of people are talking about this stock. This is the data company that has a lot of contracts with the government. And I think this has been a little bit too much of a bull run recently. So it shot up a bunch, consolidated, has a big swing up the past few days, past day or two, but I don't really see this bull run continuing really for Palantir. Nothing is, I mean, there's been some news about them, but nothing really too big. Let's see what happens. Airbnb is definitely way, I think, overhyped. It's definitely a good long-term pick, but short-term, I would even consider, for myself, if I had extra cash on the side, I'd rather invest that in XRP or some other stock rather than Airbnb for now. Now, GEVO, this is a stock that we have heard about recently. This is a stock I originally bought back in late November, early December. It was down here. I sold $4 a share here. And man, I thought I did pretty well, 100% gain on that in a month and a half. But hindsight being 2020, I wish I held on because now we're talking about $11 a share for GEVO. They have a lot of potential. They're actually doing a video on GEVO pretty soon. Next week at most. But this is definitely a good stock that I just recently got back into because I looked at more of the news, more of the fundamentals. I realized, man, I should have stayed in this a lot longer than I did. But that's coming pretty soon. So anyway, thank you for joining us on January 23rd, 2021 for a quick live stream with Jacob. We'll see you next time. Thank you.